We're going back in time today. So far back that my YouTube channel was just starting out. I was filming everything on my phone, and this camera right here was brand new to me, and I had no idea what the heck I was doing. But today I'm going to be showing you guys that it doesn't matter if you have just a phone or a simple $100 or $50 camera, however much it says, I don't even know anymore. It doesn't matter how expensive or how nice your equipment is, you can still get incredible shots with just basic beginner stuff like this or your phone. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take some photos with this camera and with my phone camera, and I'm going to show you that it is possible to take incredible photos with both. And I'm not going to edit any of them. These are all just going to be raw photos, so I can prove to you that you don't need to edit any of them. You guys now know that it is possible to take pretty dang good photos using your phone and like a basic camera. So now what I want you to do is go and try it. You've seen that you've seen me do it, you know it's possible, so do it yourself now. And make sure to tag me in them so I can see all your creative photos that you guys do over this lovely quarantine break, and hopefully it ends soon because I need to talk to somebody. But yes, so thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that cool stuff. And we'll see you guys Tuesday. Peace.